guys, welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, join the family and subscribe to the channel. We are growing and glowing over here and just having so much fun. If this is your first time here, definitely also take a look at some of our older videos. We have some oldies and goodies on there, but in today's video, let's talk about some inspiring rustic home decor images. So the rustic style, once again, is not for everyone, but I don't really know of one style that is for everyone. So this is going to be very reminiscent of the farmhouse style that I showed you just a couple of days ago, but rustic is just a little more rustic. For lack of a better definition, I'll give you a definition in just a bit. But as you are enjoying this video, or as you are watching this video, hopefully you are enjoying it as well. Definitely comment down below. Let me know which rustic room that you liked in this video. And just let me know, would you have a rustic style theme in your home? Are you one of the people that like the rustic theme? Yay or nay? Comment down below and let me know. I am just, rustic is just okay to me. Basically, I'm not just a purely rustic girl. However, I do see some of the more admirable qualities of it. I think it's a beautiful style. It's just personally not for me. But I want to know if it's for you. So comment down below and let me know. And yeah, enjoy the video until I pop back in. So I told you that I would pop back in with a definition for rustic style decor. And basically, rustic decor is all about a no-fuss aesthetic that showcases the beauty of subdued hues, natural materials, think wood beams or touches of stone and clay, and comfortable furnishings. This versatile design style works in just about any interior, from the bathroom to any living room. One more thing I forgot to add, don't forget to join our Facebook group. It's all about home decor. Everything that this channel is about basically is what the Facebook group is about. Just gives us the opportunity to converse with each other. I will leave the link in the description box. You can just click on it and join if you have Facebook. It's free and also free to join. Also, don't forget to join the Facebook group like I mentioned before. It's free to join and it's a spot for us to all hang and chat. So I always ask you all to comment what your favorite room is from the choices in this video. If you want to know mine, here is mine. Of course, it's only, I call this lightly rustic. It's not super rustic like some of the rooms were, but I do think this is a gorgeous room. And even though it's rustic, that baby grand piano over there on the right side just really gives it an elegant touch. Alright guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, we would love that, and make sure that you are subscribed. Also hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye friends.